How to make couscous pudding. Here's my couscous pudding ready to eat. Okay. First you need a bowl this size. Then you get your couscous you buy from supermarket or from any other type of shop. It comes in a pack, dried grains. This is medium couscous. You can find fine couscous or coarse couscous as well. This is 1 kilo. So for 2 people, 1/3 of this pack will do. Then you pour your dried couscous in the bowl, get boiling water, cover it with boiling water just about the grains, say 1/2 centimeter, 5 millimeter over the grains. Then cover the whole bowl with a small plate to cover the bowl. Leave it for 5 minutes. Then you see it soaked in that boiling water. Then you don't see any water in it. It's just like soaked well inside. Stir it a little bit. Then if you have something to steam it on, like this type of dish, I got this dish for many years I was using. You see it's got the holes at the bottom there, this part here, and another bowl with no holes. Then that goes inside, and you pour your couscous, which was already soaked in the bowl. Pour it in there, then you cover in it. This is microwave dish. Then I can put it in microwave for say 3-4 minutes. It comes out. Take the bowl from this dish, pour it in a big bowl and start stirring it so the steam gets evaporated a bit. Then once that is done, then you have your couscous in a dish. Then I had some raisins soaked in hot water as well for say 5-10 minutes. Drain them, then mix them in the couscous together, then add some olive oil and just mix all together. Then you have this nice fluffy couscous. On top of this I add some icing sugar, not too much but just a little bit to make it a little bit sweet. If you don't like the sugar, it's an optional, just have it with the raisins. This is perfect for any time of the day when you are a little bit hungry. So that's my recipe, couscous pudding.